So the truth about AI content detection in 2026. Guys, Google itself said that you can use AI, but not 100% AI influence, because AI will not write people's first content. Now, if you don't know, let me just go back here. Google on AI articles. So we'll go here and go to the official blog. You can read all the, okay, not this one. Yeah, you can go here, go to the developers.google.com, and you can read all this thing. And also you can take this URL, go to the Ask It to Gemini to summarize. It will do the job for you. So what did they say is AI will not write for people's first content. So should at least need some human touch to do that. So one of the best ways to do is give this as a prompt, extra prompt, or you can also use tools like AI SEO Writer, which does automatically.